Hi my officials, it's your girl officially Michelle here and welcome back to another video. And as you can see by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I get this sleek looking low bun I should say. This is like one of my go-to hairstyles right now. I love this hairstyle, like it really makes me look clean. But yeah, continue watching to see how I got this look.
Can I say that this was a gel-free tutorial? Okay, so now I am trying to get my parting situated, and of course I don't know about you guys, but I like to see the widow's peak look. So it's not really gonna make your parting look like extremely straight, but nonetheless I'm here trying to get my parting straight. My part is never straight, guys. Like I can never get it straight. And my hair was really dirty, like really dirty. So I basically took some oil and decided to oil my scalp, just so that it didn't look bad because I was going out. And now I'm gonna go in with the Cantu, and I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm very heavy-handed. I think for this look, because I didn't use gel, I had to overuse the products that I have, which was the Cantu leave-in conditioner. Like I had to overdo it because my hair was also very dry. So yeah, so if it is that you're gonna be doing a sleek ponytail or sleek bun without gel, note to self, whatever products you're using, you're gonna have to use a lot of it to get that sleekness. And I am still at it, trying to get my hair laid. Again, my hair was not behaving. My hair just was not behaving. So I went in with the RedOne, which is a wax, and I really overdid it with the RedOne wax, because again, my hair was just like not being the best at this point. And I'm gonna recommend that the closer that you put the product on, especially around the middle part area, is the sleeker your hair is gonna look. And I'm going back in with the RedOne again because, oh my god, because again, my edges were just not sleeking down like I wanted it to. And I'm still trying to fix my edges and fix my little leave out at the sides, just so that I can get my hair, you know, sleeked. It just wasn't working. So now I'm actually going to add some extensions to my hair, just because I feel like my hair is not as thick, and I'm extra, so I'm being extra by putting in extensions. But yeah, so I basically did the no pins method. As you can see, I'm just wrapping a piece around my existing ponytail, and then I'm gonna wrap the weft around my ponytail and basically take the end and do the same wrapping method, so that it's secured, because even if you're gonna wrap it up, you still want it to be secured, and you also don't want your wefts to be showing. and I'm just gonna do a 2-strand twist until I get to the end of it, and then I'm just gonna wrap that 2-strand twist in a bun. And I'm taking my scrunchie and securing the bun, and that's basically it for this hair tutorial. Let me know in the comments if you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.